used electric.
Officially homeowner. It was bad. Trees were falling over. Looking at washers and dryers. Put it the number of the house. Oh, we got mail. When I finally pick a refrigerator, you know.
It's gonna be fun to win.
Good morning, beautiful. It is closing day. I am rushing. I'm gonna see you at the house, girl. We're about to close. Here is the new cement with no crack from the last video.
Ghetto by that.
It looks nice though. All right, you guys. Going to our closing.
You got everything else. Yeah. Y'all been doing good?
Yes.
Good.
We've been doing fine. Thank you.
I think I had to switch the number to the car stuff, right?
Yeah, I already have all that information.
Okay.
Yep, it looks good. Okay, he gave you your copy, but anyway, I have to turn these in, and if it's not all done, then not help ice cubes.
That about the packaging is one, you know, no.
Anything you put in there that smells good, it's got acid in it, and over time, it's going to eat the finish on it.
Yep.
Okay. It gets hot quick. A lot of people that haven't. Yeah, I just didn't turn it on. A lot of people that haven't had gas don't realize how quick it cooks. Because they've used electric and it takes a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So you'll have to get your key from, I think, you may get it from them or you get it from the, I'm not sure where the key comes from. Yeah, I don't know if the HOA has it or if the lawyer.
Okay.
But anyway.
So
But-
lock for mail. The mail kiosk.
Yeah, no worries, that's.
They're just touching up the paint in the house before we go to the main office for the closing. They're checking outside now, but I'm not going out there because it's hot. So we just left, is this open all the way? Sorry. So we just left the sign off at the house, so it's separated into two parts. The first part is the sign off and the second part is the actual closing in a different location at the attorney's office. So it says take exit 120. You didn't hear it?
No.
What in the world? Look at your phone. Wow. Yeah, we're heading to the attorney's office.
We got him right here.
Yeah. All right, you guys, we're officially homeowners.
Yeah, boy.
We were in there for so long.
Yeah,
we got there at 11. It's 1:30.
No. 10:30. Wasn't it?
10:45, I think.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, as with the horn, everything takes extra long.
But we got the keys. Where's the keys, babe? Where's the stuff?
It's in the back.
Okay.
Jingle.
We got the keys. We got the mailbox keys. We signed all the papers.
Let's go make sure
we
that the key works.
did it. It's not the lot number.
Oh.
It says it right there in the front. The front of the card.
3, but it didn't work.
Keep trying. I mean, I don't know what to do. Child. We at the mailboxes. We're trying to open them for the first time, but they won't go in at all. You using the house key?
That's the one that he gave. That's the name.
Oh, I don't know. Y'all, we're gonna go get something to eat. What? That's kind of dumb. I don't know why they would not put it the number of the house. Oh, we got mail! We got mail! Oh my God! It's all they gotta be! You know what? Let me close this door. Sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I know I was so loud. I don't know. We got our first mail at the first house, and a bee tried to attack me like a real bee, not a fly, a bee. I'm hungry. We're at Home Depot looking at washers and dryers, waiting for customer service now.
And these are $1,100 for the washer right here. And then this is a 9 cubic foot dryer for $1,700.
Is that inside or
Yes,
outside?
that's the interior of it. It's 5.2.
It doesn't feel that big.
It don't feel that big.
It's also because you're looking at it like down and in. If you get in front of it and stick your,
Like to wash my comforter.
like this is 5.3, and that looks big. It's just because this is tilted up.
Okay.
And those are tilted
Oh.
horizontally, so it's harder to see like the depth, because it's easier to see the depth going down than it is to see the depth going back. On their dryers here, you have an automatic vent, and so that way it's, because like the main thing with front loaders is that they have a higher propensity to mold.
Yes.
Because they're made to be watertight, right? So this has the vent built in, and then it also has a microban seal, and this helps reduce the mold because it's.
I want it. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm good. We're going with that one. What are you talking about?
Easiest person to sell to.
It doesn't mold. Do you need anything more? Like, be real.
You can just spray on it.
I'm fine. This is fine.
Get the mold out.
What were you gonna say about Samsung?
Yeah, don't get them. People are
Okay.
having them 3 to 5 years, and then on top of that, they're also like
bearings go out,
the washers are under a fire recall. And do you know how much?
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. Yesterday was eventful. We spent majority of the day trying to get our internet transferred over to the new house, but yeah, they couldn't find it. We spoke to our manager, did everything. They couldn't find the house. Of course, it's a new build. So they gave me another number to call back, but since I was on the phone with AT&T for so long, I was like, you know what, I'll just call them today. And what else? We went to see the washers and dryers, and we just ultimately decided to just get the refrigerator first, just for budgeting. There was just a lot of things we would have to spend on, like moving and getting the rental property, because before we leave here, it's in our lease. We have to get a move out clean for the rental property and a carpet clean. Yeah, a carpet clean. So it was just like, you know what, we don't know how much all the cost of moving is gonna be, and we could always just do like the laundry pickup thing I was doing last time our laundry machine went out. So it said we'll do that for a week and see. So we're just gonna go with the refrigerator. Okay, I'm trying to make this short, but when we got to about purchasing the refrigerator, we had our measurements of the space, but we couldn't like find a refrigerator that fit that measurement. And she was just like, oh, counter depth is better, but that's more expensive. Most likely it's way above our budget. She was saying as a family of 5, she doesn't really recommend counter depth because it's smaller. Sorry, all the kids are home today. It's a Friday. You guys, can y'all go play with that over there?
I'm hungry.
Okay, give me a second. She doesn't really recommend counter depth. So, girl, we couldn't agree on a refrigerator. Hubby wanted the most 1960 refrigerator. I wanted something in the middle. So I wanted a French door and the drawer on the bottom. So when I finally pick a refrigerator, you'll know. Another update. Yesterday in the middle of the day, a huge storm just came. We were putting gas right before we were gonna pick up the kids, and we got a thunderstorm alert or a tornado alert like 10 minutes before. And you guys, it was bad. Trees were falling over, the car was moving. I thought we were about to be in the middle of a tornado. We got to the school, all lights and power out at the school. I'm from Miami, we used to hurricanes. I rushed through because I knew the kids were gonna be scared. It was a little bit late, it was like 5:30. Kids were safe, we were safe, but all the power in our city is out since last night. So we had no power, we had no electricity. They sent us the email this morning that the water and sewer department is down as well. They can't produce water, so light on the water all day today. Kids' schools closed their home, and currently we still have no electricity. They're sending an update at 1 a.m. today tomorrow at least, it should be on. So that's what we're dealing with. All I did this morning is I woke up, I cleaned up the house. Hubby had to go to work. I called all the clients to just see if they were safe, if they're okay, and they said they're clear for him to go to work, so he went to work. My phone is charging in my car. I had charged Aiden's iPad in the car last night just so they would have something to do, because you know we're in the middle of moving. Anyway, I also booked a moving company for Sunday. Today's Friday. Nothing is packed, girl, not even a spoon. Yes. So today I want to declutter downstairs because I decluttered upstairs, and right now we're about to leave. The kids are hungry. I have no idea what time it is because my phone is in the car charging. I'm about to go get them some food. I need a step stool from Home Depot, some boxes, and I'm also going to use the opportunity to drop some stuff off at Goodwill. So let's go. I have like a really bad toothache here, like really bad. Like my whole jawline is hurting so bad. And I can't do anything about it till after we move in, because y'all just heard everything that's going on. So our mattress came in, but I don't know what was going on with the delivery guy, and I get it because of the rain and storms, but he left it right on the driveway, girl, and it got completely soaked. And also, it's just chaos. It's chaos. What's the topper to this, Liam? Yeah, you took it. I did order you one. So we're at Popeyes, and of course the order was wrong. It's been a while since Popeyes got my order right. So I ordered 3 kids meal, and one of the reasons I haven't been here in a while is this is not even my hometown Popeyes. I literally had to drive 30 minutes to find out Popeyes that the power was on. But they do this thing where when I order kids meals and I ask for classic, you're supposed to put classic, they put spicy chicken in it. Which, I mean, I'm like, y'all do what y'all do, but I have toddlers, all under the age of 5. They don't do spicy. Well, not Popeye spicy. Okay, so I was just irritated because there's just so much going on, and I drive 30 minutes out to find anything to eat. Popeyes was not my first choice at 11 o'clock in the morning, so now they gotta remake everything to classic. I had to wait 5 minutes. The only thing that wasn't spicy was the mac and cheese for Liam, and let me not even say the end. It is what I'm gonna say the end. I paid for drinks. They have no kids box juices, so I said, okay, small drinks. How about they all gonna hand me 4 of these? 4 of them. I'm like, who is drinking this? Like, I just had to leave the drinks. I was like, forget the drinks. They have their water bottles. Still drink that. Yeah, I'm having a morning. I'm having a morning. The way my teeth is hurting, or tooth, one of them is hurting right now. I can't do spicy either. I cannot. I sure enough return my chicken sandwich. I can't. My tooth is pulsating. So I ordered some Orgel at Target. It's right across the street from Home Depot. Oh my God, I forgot to check if Home Depot got power.
In there.
You could just hand it to me. Thank you. Because I don't want to. I got the Orgel. Long lasting pain relief, relieves starving pains. We're gonna get 2 small ones. But how small? Yeah, but I just want to know how small it is.
Is that for us? Is that for us?
Yeah, that's for the kitchen. There's no how small it is.
Is that for us?
Mama, I just said it's for the kitchen. This is good, right?
Yeah. You can even put a Pokemon card in there and it'll be cards in there.
We're not putting Pokemon cards in here, Aiden. And I'm gonna get 1 medium one. I think that's enough.
It's gonna be fun to win.
This is so slow. $30. Jesus. Maybe I should have went to Walmart. So I got the step stool. I got a step stool for $25 at Target. Hey y'all, I'm back home. It's 4 o'clock. It is hot. This Orgel ain't doing nothing for me. Nothing. I have still yet to pack a spoon. Not even spoon, not a knife, not nothing. Hubby having car trouble. It is so hot. We still have no electricity. I'm gonna start decluttering up here because since hubby's having car trouble, I may need to go get him. So I'm just gonna start decluttering. There's water leaking under the refrigerator from the freezer. I'm getting some Advil. Don't even, nobody should say that I should just suck it up and go to the dentist, because the dentist is down the street and I'm sure they have no power too. Ciao. Okay, on the other side I got rid of all the baby things. I only left like, let me show you. I literally left like some cups, a bowl. I only left a little bit of things for the toddlers. And even those I'm gonna change out, but we still need them for now. Sorry if it's loud in here. Everybody named Mama home. And here, I'm only gonna keep the bowls that I absolutely love. I'm gonna get new bowls, so I'm gonna keep these 2. And the rest of them, I am donating. I'm keeping this and these. And I'm narrowing down the mugs. Okay, I have so many spices in here. I'm gonna go through the ones and take the ones that are expired out. Good morning. I'm at Walmart, I think. Why are you always dirty? Anyway, I'm at Walmart because I ran out of tape. Oh, they have boxes. I didn't even know they have boxes. Anyway, I need some tape because I can't find the tape. This is the tape I want. This roller tape thing. Why are they so big though? What's wrong with this? $4. Because if I get this, then I can replace it, right? I don't know if it got to be this deep. I don't even know how to use this. whatever. And let me get some boxes too. All right, you guys, I'm back home. The kids are dressed, they've eaten. They're watching VeggieTales behind me. The house is fully decluttered, so I'm gonna start putting things in boxes. Tomorrow is move day. The moving truck will be here at 9 a.m. and it is the day before at 9:48 and still not a spoon is packed. So we're gonna start with the kitchen. Stop playing with the boxes, you guys. Y'all not even watching this. You don't wanna watch it? Sometimes you're PJ Maxx without got it. This is the packing paper. Packing paper is so thin. Liam, chill.
Cut your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some little change to me. I want in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. Choose the right. What it will be in front of me. On the wall. Away from my favorite. Still wanna try to believe.
Good morning, it's the next day. Why is this thing crooked? It's the next day. We're clearing out Riley's room. We got a lot done, but we still got a little bit more to do. We got 30 minutes till the moving truck get here, but they haven't called me. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, open Riley's drawer. So I'm just gonna stuff everything in the kids' drawers. Here.
Cover your nose. Cover your nose. Cover your nose.
Neatly. And then I'll give you the clothes.
No, you just want donut. That's not breakfast. Somebody just want to. Where did you pack all the cups? I need coffee. I need something.
I don't think I use my space efficiently.
Like mine.
Yeah, I see the way you do it. I'm like, wait a minute. You know what? I'm tired. Whew, this is how the house is looking so far. You said what?
The way I do. Wait, I'm just pressing in. Wait,
Oh my God, we're finally leaving. All right, you guys, so we have basically fully moved out. We have a couple of things that we're gonna grab over the next couple of days. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Please do not look at my left eye. I don't know why people say this, don't look at something. Of course, that's gonna be the first thing you look at. I was picking at my eye because it was irritating me, and now I look like Chewbacca. Anyway, girl, I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you for spending these last couple of days with me, and let's talk in the comments. Bye.